Together we stand. Shake no day. We must push those terrorists out of our territory. All those criminals, infiltrators, enablers, and terrorists must leave with territory by fire, by force. Good job, kudos. We'll be so proud of una. Together we stand. Anything we una want and we dey down for supply. Shake no day. All money place day, all money cafe day up. Together we will continue the journey. Thank una so much. We'll be so happy. We'll be so grateful. Together we go push all those territory, those terrorists them, remove them for territory, so that we go build a wonderful country where we go be there together, enjoy life together. We don't tire. We don't be no money slave. We don't be no money house boy. We get a reason. We not continue to put up a good fight. We there for here because all man of it be for the same place. We must do part and we must do una part. Kudos. We'll be so happy. We'll be so proud. We'll be so for all una innovation, for so all una prospect, for all una energy. We want tell una say a monument be already built in our heart. A monument for all the men and women where they don't sacrifice a lot. Una sacrifices will never be forgotten, and una place the day all shake no day. Una cafe the day up. 21 gun salute, 500 armor car salute, self small for game for una. Thank una so much. Keep the fire burning. We be the generation where we don't decide for chop fire, whole grass. Shake no day. Thank
my fellow Ambazonians, for all our mommy them, for all our papa them, for all our big papa them and our big mommy them, for all our uncle them and our auntie them, even our neighbor themselves, for all our picking them, all Ambazonians, I be una brother Asu, when are the press secretary for the executive office for governing council of Ambazonia. That means that I be the spokesperson for the office for the leader for War of Independence, Dr. Iheabacho. My people, I don't come for can salute now for this number 13 day for the month of September for 2020. Today na Sunday, make a salute all una, may God bless all una, for all the people, all our people, they go for the house for God. Una go pray for all man, una pray for our forces there, una pray for our people there, they day for bush, una pray for our people there, they day for refugee camps, una pray for all our people there, they sick. Una pray for all our brothers and sisters where they did for the various concentration camp for La République du Cameroon. We know say una don't put prayer, una don't give them forgotten hand. Una don't also pray for all our people there they did for diaspora. We know say una don't pray for the leader of our War of Independence, Dr. Iheabacho. May God continue for give wisdom. May God continue for give the strength. And may God continue for surrounding with the good people them where they stand for liberate Ambazonia. My fellow Ambazonians, I don't come for can salute all una today. Today, so we will take a small time for send a message of encouragement, a message of hope, a message of togetherness, a message of oneness for our people them for Bamenda. I don't come for can give una a small situation report, and I want to make all we as we gather for here, make all we put our heart, we put our hand them. We send our prayers for our people them for the great city of Bamenda. Make us salute the people that they did for here, and then we'll go just start. All right. Vivi la vie, would salute you. Trizy, Mr. Amber, would salute you. All right. Dot Ngumni, would salute you, Mr. Alain. All right. Juicy, would salute you, Mr. Abang. Mr. Ketchy Springs, we salute you too. Leonga Martin, the big boy for that side for Boya, we salute you. Comrade Pamela, we salute you. All right. Ghana, Mr. Elijah, we salute you too. Chris Yero, we salute you, Mr. Chris Yero. All right. Maimo, we salute you, Mr. Mfomi. All right. Petra, we salute you. Ate Teko, we salute you, Mr. Wilson. All right. Muhammadu, we salute you, Mr. Muhammad. Mr. Muhammadu, Mr. Muhammad. We salute you too. Timothy, we salute you, Mr. Mukong. All right. Comrade Paul, we salute you. All right. Mr. Ashu Bazil, we salute you. Comrade Charles Defang, we salute you. Teps Eta, we salute you. Miriam Hope, welcome, I salute you. All right, Ben Donson, we salute you, big boy for that side, for America, for California. We salute you. Who today for here? Comrade Ndi Njira, we salute you. All right, Hussein, we salute you, Mr. Hussein bin Ahmad, we salute you. All right. Desmond, we salute you. Comrade Tony, we salute you. All right. Nubia, we salute you, Mr. Cletus. Oscar, we salute you, Anya. All right. Mr. Lexi, we salute you too. Jones, Mr. Spencer, Victor Taku, we salute all na Ngwa Nuela. We salute all man. All right. Make we start, my fellow Ambazonian. Selif, we salute you. Fobeng, Comrade Oliver, we salute all now. Who today for here? Yes, Grace Michael, fine woman for that side where they do plenty sport. We see the fine younger there and the sexiness where they come out for that sport. I beg, we now continue for inspire Ambazonia them sport over fine. A fine for live a healthy life. Okay, now be that one bring me for here. That one, who two don't come? You say I must salute you. All right. One aje would salute you. All right. Nsa would salute you, Afi. Comrade Emmanuel. So my fellow Ambazonians, make a salute on once again. First of all, make a cut cafe for all our people there, the different side for ground one. All Ambazonia, the way they don't run the war because of the war we Paul Biya declaring for the Ambazonian people. All our people they don't run, they go for ground one for Ghana, for all the places and for West Africa, East Africa, Central Africa, the one the way they cross for that side for desert, where they try for go through Libya, go for all kind place for try for cross. We cut una cafe and we salute una for una waka. For all Ambazonia, then for that side, for Persian Gulf and for the Middle East, we salute una for una hustle. For all our people that did for that side, for India, for China, for Malaysia, for Singapore, for Hong Kong, we not forget people them for Hong Kong. We not forget DDCS, day for day. We not forget people them for Hong Kong. We not forget what people them for Japan. We not forget what people them for that side for Australia. We not forget all man. Even Ambazonia already for New Zealand. We not forget una so una for that side for New Zealand. We not forget una. Even Ambazonia they already for that side for Bangladesh. Yeah, we una there for Bangladesh. We not so forget all una. For all Ambazonia then for that side for the Caribbeans. We not forget una. Even the one they did for that side for Jamaica too. Yes, Yaman. We not forget una. Even Ambazonia they did for that side for Cuba. People then for Cuba. We not forget Ambazonia then for that side. And then Ambazonia they did for that side for Mexico. We una the try for cross. We not forget una. We keep una for prayer. Una waka fine. For all Ambazonia then for this side for Canada and for United States. Una good morning. Now una good afternoon for una. Na 12:30 for this side. Happy Sunday for all man. We hope say all man don't come out church. What people for Bamenda, they face a military occupation. The Ambazonian them for the great city of Bamenda, they under total military occupation. Since last week, La République du Cameroon, because of the Ambazonian people, their victory for Bamenda, La République du Cameroon, it don't suspend the colonial civil administration. And it don't turn the city of Bamenda for become the first place for Ambazonia where La République it make it be official, say na a military rule. The people of Bamenda, they under total military occupation as we talk. And it don't be na a policy of the colonial state for impose a military occupation for the city of Bamenda. Today one can tell when I say the one the way they be sent may not be correct. La République du Cameroon know say they don't lost Ambazonia. They know say the game don't be totally over. We don't defeat them for all our villages and small towns. Not only the big cities they remain. We beat them for Bamenda. Our forces they show them pepper. Our population rise up against them. Now they decide for turn Bamenda into a military base. For turn Bamenda into a total battlefield where they don't put the people them now under military occupation. Because of the shame where Paul Biya don't face and for the Ambazonian people them. Because of the strength of the Ambazonian Defense Forces as the general and the commander-in-chief, he ordered the forces and all the brigades made a march into Bamenda. Paul Biya no say the game don't be over. They don't send an additional 2,000 troops over the last 48 hours into Bamenda. The colonial state, it don't send an additional 2,000 colonial troops into Bamenda for intimidate the people, for frighten the people. One thing where the Paul Biya fail for understand. Now say the people of Bamenda, they be different from every other people inside Ambazonia. The people of Bamenda, now the most strong-headed people for Ambazonia. So whether Paul Biya, he like, make he go bring army for Israel, he can't add them. Whether Paul Biya like, make he go for Afghanistan, he go borrow Osama bin Laden, he army them, he bring them for Bamenda. Whether Paul Biya like, make he go for that side for Libya, he go borrow Nasoso army. Because they want them for France. That one is small. Whether Paul Biya like, make it go for the entire world. He go borrow army. He bring them for Bamenda. The people of Bamenda, the bravest people for Ambazonia, na for Bamenda they come out. Na for Bamenda the day. Bamenda na the epicenter for chop fire. We know who our people they be. We know what people they be capable of. We know the defiant nature of our people. We know the courageous nature of our people. We know the fire way they inside of them. No amount of army, whether Paul Biya put na 20,000 army for inside Bamenda, Bamenda do already fall. Bamenda na the breaking point for the end of Cameroon occupation of Ambazonia. And Paul Biya know him. Paul Biya know say the game don't be over. What people for Bamenda go chop fire. What mommy them, what papa them, what big papa them, what big brother them, what uncle them. Every Ambazonia for Bamenda na a soldier of the revolution. They go rise up. What people go rise up. They go stand in total defiance. No amount of intimidation, no amount of kale, no amount of house-to-house search, no amount of arrest, no amount of imprisonment, no amount of torture, no amount of killings, no amount of pain. Nothing go stop the Ambazonian people for defeat La République du Cameroon inside Bamenda. Nothing. Now what you will never see him before. The game don't be over between Cameroon and Ambazonia. And Bamenda na the breaking point. Bamenda na the breaking point. Now Bamenda be that last chain for broken. And then the entire thing fall apart. That's why we call on all our papa them. We call on all our mami them. We call on every Ambazonia inside the city of Bamenda to rise up in total defiance. Rise up. The only thing where they make people, where they keep people under oppression, the only thing where they keep people under occupation, na fear. Face fear and you achieve freedom. And we believe for our people. We trust for our people. We know the tenacity of our people. We know the courage of our people. And we know say our people go emerge stronger and free. We be the land of the brave. We be the land of the courageous. And our people for Bamenda, they don't show consistently since the 1990 for how for chop fire, how for whole grass, how for shame the devil, how for look the enemy for eye, even when they put gun for their head, for tell the enemy, put that gun down, and the enemy and the devil go put that gun down and he go run. Now the spirit of our people than that. And we know say our people for Bamenda, they don't demonstrate that spirit consistently. And that's why we collectively as Ambazonians, we show great respect for our people for Bamenda. No other place for Ambazonia, you don't face the kind of difficulties and military intimidation and torture and brutality than the people they don't face on Bamenda. Like what did it happen for Bamenda? Most of the forces for all around the Savannah state, they don't move and all chuk and inside Bamenda. Bamenda don't fall and Pobia Noam. At the end this of Pobia. So we call on our people for also warn our people and for tell our people, say, when the leadership, it consult with the generals and the commanders, and then they consult with the consortium and the IGK, and the leadership decide, say, they say, because of the colonial policy, where they put them for no, say make our people them for Ben Sikin, they no work for inside their own town, they be put a solidarity, a call for solidarity ban, for stop all motor them. Number one, for sure like the Republic of Cameroon say, they say, you know if you deprive the Ambazonian people them for live a life. Or Ben Sikin, now a major part of the Ambazonia, of the economy for Bamenda and the population for Bamenda. So the ban, the no Ben Sikin, no motor ban, it be been a call for solidarity, for stand shoulder to shoulder, hand to hand, foot to foot, with what Ben Sikin people them and their families would they be affected by that policy. So would the ban be an act of defiance for tell the international community and la Republic of Cameroon say they don't get right for rule, for put a law over the Ambazonian people them. That ban it be only take place on Tuesday, so they go reach for Thursday. For Friday, the ban be end. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Leadership don't monitor the situation. While generals they don't file in a security detail report. We can tell what people them for the city of Bamenda. Say tomorrow, na normal country Sunday, when a normal ghost town. After tomorrow, on Tuesday, the leadership were forces. They never call for any lockdown. No need for the people for being locked down when they are under a military siege. How you go manage how the military go come lock down a people? They do kale from quarter to quarter. And then you go talk say you want put lockdown on top of those same people for keep them for inside their houses. Make Cameroon military enter there, it go kill our papa them, kill our mommy them, kill our brother them, kill our sister them, kill our picking them. There is no lockdown. Now the infiltrators, where they work hand in hand with the Republic of Cameroon, so that when the military come for one side, it surround our people them. And then the infiltrators, they tell say, now lockdown, make all man stay for house, make the military can't kill our people them. We not ignore every single call of the infiltrators. On Tuesday, we call on our people for woke up for morning time, go open their markets, they open their shops, they go for their work, they carry their thing, and they go about. There is no lockdown. We did do lockdown not only for strategic reasons and strategic purposes in consultation with the Ambazonian people then. Your leadership, your defense forces, and our partners of the IGK and the consortium, they never call for any lockdown. Now only one voice, it is speak for the Ambazonian people then. And that's the leadership of our War of Independence, Dr. Ayabacho. Now the leader of our War of Independence. Now he lead the self-defense for Ground Zero Now they lead Ambazonia then diplomatically for the highest level of the international system. There is only one voice. The liberator. It be recognized by the international system. It be recognized by France, by the Americans, by the United States, by even Great Britain. They recognizing I get the biggest force for ground zero. The United Nations, UN, I think na HCR. They make a report. They talk in ADF the wrong ground zero. That the ADF be fight like the Republic of Cameroon for Bamenda. There is no other fighting force inside Bamenda. We get a lot of sister forces them around. They're inside Bamenda. Now the Ambazonia Defense Forces, it lead the charge. We get 6 units just within Bamenda. There is only one voice, one leadership where the people of Ambazonia they listen to. That leadership, when the time reach for anything, whether we go for lockdown the territory, whether we go for lockdown the quarter, and even if lockdown it be, lockdown it only be now for a very short period of time. No human being will care about the people. It go lock down a people for 3 weeks when the people they do under a military siege. From the office for the leader for a war of independence, make what people for Bamenda only observe the country Sunday tomorrow, and on Tuesday, may they go about their lives and everything in return to normal. We not defy the colonial system. It go from quarter to quarter for do kale and for search for our boys them. Our boys that is stay now for bush. Our boys that is stay now for their various camps them for inside bush. They come out for bush. They can't carry out their missions. La Republic of Cameroon, they waste its time for go house to house for search for Ambazonian forces and Ambazonian fighters, or for search for guns. They dey for bush. If you define them, go for bush. Go fight our forces for bush. Leave the Ambazonian people alone. The end of Cameroon occupation don't come. When we not fit fight our forces, when the gendarme, the police, the army, the army, they not fit fight the Ambazonia Defense Forces. They only go now for go do small kale, catch Ambazonians them so that they go collect bribe because they know say the occupation not end. And so the one extort money from the Ambazonian people as much as possible before they leave Ambazonia. The end don't come. Now the signs of the end times that for Biafra send an additional 2,000 forces into Bamenda, una know say the end don't come. The United States Senate, it don't pass a resolution where it indict Pobia. They come after Pobia neck. They come. The Americans they come. The Trump administration, it come after Pobia neck. The time don't come. They come directly after Pobia. He know say the end don't come. The people for inside La Republic of Cameroon, they don't woke up. As I tell you this September, we go see what will happen inside La Republic of Cameroon. It is shake. La Republic of Cameroon don't start for shake. The earthquake, it don't start for shake inside Douala, Bafoussam, and Yaoundé. It come, my people. They go withdraw all their forces, put them back for La Republic of Cameroon. The end don't come. It don't come. So all Ambazonians across the 13 states will call una. Make una rise up, una defend una blocks, una take over una blocks as the people of Bamenda, they don't rise up. The people of the great state of Mezam, they don't rise up for take over the great state of Mezam. We call on all Ambazonia them across the territory. Now the time this, La Republic don't move most of their forces them for most places for Ambazonia. They don't move at all. Send them for Bamenda. Una woke up, una take una blocks. Una woke up, una take una villages back. Una woke up, una take una town them back. Their military don't be very weak. Their military don't be very defeated. They the only concentrate now for the big towns. And for those big towns, we beat them hands down. We beat them hands down. So courage for all man, courage for our people them for Bamenda, courage for our fighters, courage for our generals, courage for our mami them, courage for our papa them. Una chop fire. The end don't come for Cameroon occupation. And Ambazonia be guaranteed for be free. And Bamenda, now the first place where we will show La Republic of Cameroon the total freedom, because we don't defeat them for all the small towns, the small villages and town. And now we will start for take them big city by big city, town by town. Just like the leader we talk block by block, now na town by town, city by city. Alright? Una stay fine, una stay well. We go to talk for una tomorrow when we can present the situation report for La Republic of Cameroon tomorrow. Alright? We love una plenty. Una stay well. May God bless una. Make una continue for chop fire, because the time for freedom, for reclaim that homeland, it don't reach for always. May God bless all man. Happy Sunday. Make a live now with this one. May God bless all now. Una stay fine. What did happen with my system? All right. Cancelled.